Functional disorder of the voice. A functional voice disorder applies to an alteration of the voice quality where there is no structural or neurological laryngeal pathology or where the dysphonia is disproportionate to the pathology detected. Nomenclature is problematic in this area. There are many synonyms like functional dysphonia and non organic dysphonia. These terms are generic and indicate characteristic of a syndrome rather than a specific diagnosis. It is also important to note that there is an overlap between the organic and functional voice disorder and that they do not represent dichotomous disorders. Functional disorder of voice theoretically divided into two categories: muscle tension dysphonia, where there is vocal misuse or poor vocal technique is there, and there is no psychological factor is there. In psychogenic dysphonia, there is disturbed psychological process with loss of vocal control or voice changes there. So psychogenic dysphonia again, Butcher et al. Classified into three subcategories. First is classical hysterical conversion dysphonia. Type 2 is cognitive behavioral conversion, and type 3 is habitual conversion. In habitual conversion, there is problem is resolved but the vocal symptom and musculoskeletal tension persist as a matter of habit, so it become habitual conversion dysphonia under category of psychogenic dysphonia. The more common approach to understanding the pathogenesis of functional voice disorder is to describe a constellation of predisposing and precipitating factors. A recent review stated that three multiple etiological factors can be categorized into three groups, which lead to this functional dysphonia. First group is vocal misuse or abuse. Second group is psychological factor, and third group is personality factor. So these factors contribute in the pathogenesis of functional voice disorder. Functional dysphonia is a diagnosis of exclusion. You have to rule out all organic or neurological pathology of voice by evaluating laryngoscopy, rigid laryngoscopy, stroboscopy examination. The treatment of choice is voice therapy and treatment of underlying psychological factor. So, direct voice therapy are Yon Sai method, chewing technique, vocal functional exercise, airflow therapy, resonance therapy, easy vocal onset technique, pitch variation control technique, and accent voice therapy. Indirect therapy is vocal rest, patient education, reassurance and counseling, vocal hygiene program, and auditory training. These are the voice therapy, direct or indirect, can be applied for these type of the patients.